Welcome. In this video, you'll discover how to easily filter your starred emails with Sheets on Gmail from your Android or iPhone. If you've ever wanted to quickly find all those important emails you've starred, especially the ones with spreadsheets attached, this guide will walk you through every step you need. First, begin by opening the Gmail app on your phone. It doesn't matter if you're using an Android or an iPhone, the process is nearly identical. Once Gmail is open, take a look at the top left corner and tap the menu icon. It looks like three horizontal lines, often called the hamburger icon. Tapping this will open a list of different categories and labels you can explore within your inbox. In the list, scroll and tap on Starred. This section gathers every single email you've marked with a star, perfect for highlighting messages you need to follow up on, documents you don't want to lose, or important communications that require later attention. Now, to narrow your search and find only the emails that include attachments, focus your attention just below the search bar at the top. Tap on Attachment. By doing this, Gmail automatically filters your starred emails so you only see the messages that contain files. But what if you only want to see emails with attached spreadsheets? It's easy. When prompted to choose the file type, tap on Sheets. This filter displays only starred emails with Google Sheets files attached. Whether it's a budget, report, schedule, or any spreadsheet you need, it's all there, instantly accessible. That's it. In just a few quick taps, you've learned how to use Gmail's built-in filters to view only your starred emails with Sheets attachments. No more endless scrolling, no more digging through your inbox. With these steps, finding your most important spreadsheets is faster and easier than ever. If you enjoyed this tutorial, don't forget to check out more guides on getting the most out of Gmail and boosting your productivity. Thanks for watching and happy organizing.